Are you perhaps a small outlet, maybe looking for 1 or 2 machines to get into serving your clients a delicious ice cream, frozen yogurt, gelato, or sorbet? You know, soft serve machines can be quite expensive to purchase, and that kind of purchase might be a tad outside your budget. How about something simplistic, perhaps with a low cost, uncomplicated, and ideally with no sanitizing required? How does something that can cost effectively run 24/7 in the summer or winter sound to you? Our customer relations team can put together an inexpensive, low-cost solution just for your needs with low running costs and an eye-watering fast payback. A complete solution that is hard to resist. Oh, and by the way, with no sanitizing comes no more expendable parts like dasher blades, O-rings, bearings, and lubricants. One Shot has one highly reliable moving part, plus with an electrical consumption less than a 100-watt domestic light bulb, say goodbye to expensive maintenance programs. Bye-bye! For more information, simply fill out the contact form on our website and one of our key account representatives will be in contact with you. Welcome to your first step towards a highly exciting and profitable sanitizing-free lifestyle.